So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an intro. So first of all, we are going to go into Pixar. So just waiting. So now you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see color backgrounds and click the transparent one. Now you're going to click add photo. So you're going to search up any photo you want. Like I'm going to be looking for aesthetic backgrounds because this intro one has to be like aesthetic and pretty. You can just keep experimenting around to see what you find that is really good for you. So you can search up like pink backgrounds, dark backgrounds, and really like colorful black backgrounds. You can do that if you want. So now you just keep scrolling until you find the perfect one for you. So yeah, just keep scrolling. So you click on the one you're going to use and then you're downloading it. So you can zoom in, like get that bit or anything you don't want in the way, get it out of the way. So just pick and like crop what you want to see, like any of the part of the background that you like. So crop it out and make it all perfect the way you want it. So after that you're going to save, then you're going to go to crop and then you're cropping it to the same size as YouTube standard so you can use it. Now you're going to save it into your phone, so you can go back to Kinemaster and you can use it. So we're going to go into Kinemaster now. You're going to pick a new project and you're going to pick 16:9 ratio. So go to media and pick the Pixar picture that you just exported, and then you make it as long as you want for your intro. Now you're going to click layers and pick media, and then you see that part, you're going to pick anything you want. So before we do that, we're going to go into photo. So click into photo and then you're going to go and get images, but you don't need that unless you have a green screen ready. So I'm going to go show you how you guys make a green screen. So click plain images, then you press color, then you make the color like perfectly green as you want it, so you can use the chroma key in Kinemaster. Now you're gonna click the pencil button. I don't know if you guys can see that, but and then write in your font. I'm just gonna put in my name for now, so O2X. Yeah, and then you're gonna make the size and click style and make it any color you want, but you can't use green because if you go into Kinemaster that color won't be there anymore. And I'm not sure if you can use yellow, but I'm not sure, but I haven't used yellow because I didn't want it to like rhyme in with the background. So now you're gonna save this into your phone as JPEG. You can use PNG if you want as well. So now we're going back into Kinemaster and we're gonna click media again, then we're gonna go to photo and make it there. So you can crop it out first, it doesn't matter, but I use chroma key first and then I crop it out. So yeah. Now you can make it bigger, resize it any size you want. Now we can add any animation you want there, like pop, fade in, slide in, pop up, pop down, pop inward, anything you want at all. It's your choice, your intro. You can do whatever you want. This is just like an idea. So you're gonna click on the picture and you're gonna go over to the key over there, then you're gonna move and start. Just copy what I do because it's really hard to explain. Now let's watch the intro. So the key makes it move like really nicely apparently. So now I added like a butterfly to it, so I just added a butterfly in. I'm sorry I couldn't record that because now so now we're gonna get the background. I had to start that again. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. You crop this picture. You can use stars. You can use like those like sequin things. You can just crop it to what you want to make it. So this is another idea of an intro that I like really love. So I want to make the intro, the stars be moving in the background and then the word coming up at the start. I'm not sure if it's aesthetic, but if you like it, you can use it. Try this idea, and we're going to use the key idea again, and we're just going to be using it to move the stars back and forth to make the stars look like they're actually moving, but they're actually not. It's just a trick. So we're just going to keep doing that until we are done. So you have to like find it, make it perfect, so make it really nicely done. Now watch the intro, look at how the stars are moving nicely. This video is just going to be short, I'm sorry, it's not that long. I try to make it not that long, so but if you guys want a longer video explaining what the key does, I will do that. So now you're going to get your text from Photo again, and you're going to use the chroma key and that. So we're going to crop it, and then we're going to use the chroma key. Make it bigger and make it longer as well, and you can add animation, for example pop, or for this one I'm going to be using pop up because it's actually really nice. It has this weird effect that makes it look nice. So now let's watch our intro. So that intro, this is the other intro. So you can add your music as usual, so yeah. But I'm not actually going to add these music in. I just want to show you guys how to do the intro. So this music is playing in the background.